Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to play GTA 5 multiplayer, or sort of like a co-op mode, I guess you could say, after 5M and GTA MP have been shut down. Now, I guess one of the main questions would be, does this work on pirated versions? And from my understanding, it does. I've seen people with the 3D game version come into these servers and work perfectly fine. I guess you can't have one, like it's the very first release of GTA 5, you gotta have a semi-updated version. I don't think you have to have the same version as everyone else, but I guess it should work fine. I guess you could just ask me if it doesn't work and I'll try to help you through it. But what you want to do is you want to go to your internet browser and you want to go to this website called 5mods. I have a link in the description. You're going to hit this little search button right here and you're just going to search multiplayer. Now, I stumbled across these mods. I've done a ton of searches on Google, and I haven't come across any mods. And I stumbled across this one on this website, and thought they were pretty interesting, so I decided to try them out. Anyway, if you search multiplayer, you come up with these four things. And I tried this one. It works very, very well. But if anyone has over, I don't know, I'd say 50, maybe 70 ping, it's just a lag fest, but the developers are doing a very good job with it. I recommend this one, but that's not the one I'm going to be focused on right now. The one I'm focused on right now is the V Multiplayer 1.04. So whenever you click on it, you'll come to this. As you can see right here, this guy has the Iron Man mod installed. He just has the default skin for it, so it does support single player mods. So you're just going to click the download button right here, and when it downloads, you're going to get, actually I have it on my second monitor here, let me just drag it over. You're going to get these files. Now if you want to run a server, all you have to do is just drag this out to your desktop. Actually, I'll do that now. Open it up, and I usually edit this with Notepad++. And you just edit. Actually, if they say not to edit the port because it doesn't support any of the ports right now, you edit the server name, server description, and your max players of what your internet can handle. But yeah, that's basically it. And then you just run this, and it opens up this, and runs this, and it connects to the master, and it'll have a server browser in game that I'll show you in a second whenever it's done. Now, you also have the client. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and just drag it to your desktop. And then you're going to go to your GTA 5 installation directory. Mine's under Steam, Steam Apps, Common, GTA 5. Yours will probably be under C, like Program Files, x86, and then Steam. If you got it through Steam, if you have the pirated version, I don't know where it is. You probably know where it is on your system. Anyways, then you're going to create this folder called scripts. It's not going to be there. You're going to have to just right click, go to new folder, and just call it scripts. So anyway, you're going to open this, and it's going to be empty. You're not going to have anything in here. You're going to open up this client file. You're just going to take everything and drag it into scripts. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do that. And that's basically how you install the multiplayer mod. But for this mod to actually work, you have to have script_v. I'll have the link in the description, but there's the link right there. And you're just going to click this download button. And whenever you download it, you're going to get this file. It's going to have these three files in it. And all you do is you just drag these files out, and you put them straight into your Grand Theft Auto 5 directory. Not the scripts folder, the Grand Theft Auto 5 directory. Also, you're going to need scripthook.net, and I'll have the link also for this in the description. scripthookv.net.zip. This is what you're going to download, and whenever you download that, you're going to get this file. It's going to have these three things. Just like the original script hook, you're just going to drag them into your GTA 5 directory. Again, not the scripts folder, the directory. So after that's done, your multiplayer mod is installed. Script hook is installed. Also with the script hook, you also get a mod menu by default. So we don't need this anymore. Now I'll open up Grand Theft Auto 5 and I'll show you it in game. Alright guys, we're back in GTA. I just want to answer one question. Single player mods do work with this. The mods are still buggy, so all the synchronization might not be correct. I've had some trouble getting into vehicles with other players. It just doesn't look right, and then all of a sudden you'll just teleport into the vehicle with the other player. But as you can see, I'm just in the game. So what you're going to do is you're going to press F6. Game might freeze a second, and then it'll take you to this. And if you wanted to play LAN mode, for say you're running that server on your Wi-Fi with another computer in your house, and you want to play with a sibling, you would just go to Direct Connect and the IP address of the computer that's running it. But if it's a server and you want to play with your friends and you're running the server, you're going to have to port forward that port 7777, and then they will be able to connect to it from outside. Otherwise it will not work. So I'm just going to click the server browser. So as you can see, there are servers, and this is my server right here, and there's one person on it that I don't know of. So yeah, I'll show you that it actually does work. So as you see at the top right, it says I-51 ping, 2 players online, which is a little buggy because now there's actually 4 players online. Alright, up at the top left is where the chat is. See, I'm going to say hi. And you can register to keep stats on the server and whatnot. And I'll show you that single player mods do work. I'm going to turn on Angry Planes to show you that the single player mods will work. Oops, I have a little bit of glitch there. Alright, so now we can already see the Angry Plane spawning. So single player mods do work. I also have the Pedestrian Riot mod. I have to move a little bit to get this one to activate. We do have a mod menu when you press F4. Alright, so we're gonna... Oh, there's a screenshot button that I didn't know about, which is F11. We're gonna disable all these. So as you can see, the multiplayer works. But again, this mod's not really out there yet. There's not many players. So I made this video to kind of get its name out there. Yeah, that's basically it. Again, remember, if you run a server and your friends try to join, you get your IP address, you go to what is my, I think it's what is my, you just search what is my IP on Google and it'll show you your public IP address. But remember, they will not be able to connect using Direct Connect or the server browser if your router is not port forwarded. You can look up tutorials. There's tons of tutorials how to do that. If you want, I'll do a tutorial on it. Just comment and ask. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment if you need help. And actually, there's a player right there. I'm not sure there's any more. But anyway, again, if you like the video, please like it, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.